Bermuda College's APACE division has the courses you need to get the jobs you want.
Like bookkeeping, help small businesses gain a solid financial foundation.
ILM Management, training certification from the UK's leading management qualifications provider.
Personal training. You already enjoy staying in shape. Now you can learn how to help others and get paid to do it.
Facilities management, ideal for both aspiring and experienced facilities professionals. Comprehensive training for a multifaceted career.
Accounting. Bermuda still needs qualified accountants, academic and professional designation programs available.
EMT. Get the qualifications to make you eligible for entry-level careers in hospital, fire and rescue services, and industrial settings.
Horticulture. Qualified landscapers and gardeners.
There's a lot of work out there for people with the right training
And a can-do attitude.
Classes are available in person or online. Get started today.
Contact Ready to Start at college.bm. Visit the college website
Or call 239-4099. Bermuda College. Many paths.
Discover yours.